Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Embedding a remote Python shell in an application can be a powerful way to enhance the flexibility and debugging capabilities of your software. In this tutorial, we will explore how to embed a remote Python shell into a Python application using the code module and the socket module. This will allow you to interact with your running application remotely, making it easier to diagnose issues and perform live debugging. Note, this tutorial assumes you have a basic understanding of Python and socket programming. We'll provide code examples along the way to illustrate the concepts. Before we begin, ensure you have the following installed. We'll start by creating a simple Python script that acts as a server to accept incoming connections from the remote Python shell. Create a file named remote_shell_server.py and add the following code in this script. Now, let's create a simple client script that connects to the remote Python shell. Create a file named remote_shell_client.py and add the following code.